Namaste children. Today I am going to explain the third practical exercise in OpenOffice Calc, referencing other sheets. First you have to open Calc application. You have OpenOffice, click over there, then you have to select spreadsheet. It will open the spreadsheet application. Here I already typed and saved two sheets. One is mark sheet, another one is consolidated sheet. That I am going to open it now. Already I typed and saved. The file name is referencing other sheet. That I am going to open it now. Okay, two sheets already I created with the date of mark sheet and consolidated sheet. In mark sheet you have to type the individual marks. In consolidated you are going to calculate the total marks which the student scored. Okay, how will you do that? For that, in mark sheet you have typed first midterm, quarterly, second midterm, half yearly, third midterm, annual. In consolidated sheet you have to type the same heading including total column. In total column you have to total all the marks. Okay, first midterm you have to find out the 5% mark. Okay, for example, what I typed in first, what is the first name of the student? Lakshmi. Okay, Lakshmi's first midterm mark into 5 by 100. You have to find out 5% of midterm mark and 25% of, and then 25% of quarterly, 25% of half yearly, and then you have to find out the 35% of annual mark. Okay, after calculating all the midterm, quarterly, terminal exams marks, then only you can total the marks. Okay, so what you have to do, you go to consolidated sheet and then you have to select the first name, that is Lakshmi. Okay, what you have to do, every formula start with equal to symbol. So where you have to keep the cell pointer, in Lakshmi's first midterm mark you have to go and first you have to type equal to symbol. Every formula starts with equal to symbol. Equal to symbol you have to put, and then you have to select mark sheet. That sheet you have to select, named mark sheet. That sheet you have to select. From there you have to choose the first midterm mark of Lakshmi, and then you have to put multiplication symbol. Then you have to give 5 by 100 to find out 5% of mark. Next you have to find out the quarterly mark. Equal to, select mark sheet. You are referring the sheet, in other sheet, that is mark sheet. There you type the marks. Okay, equal to quarterly mark into 25 by 100. Again second midterm equal to, you have to go to mark sheet, then you have to select the cell address and then you have to give multiplication symbol 5 by 100. Halfway how to find out, equal to symbol, then you have to go to mark sheet, then you have to choose Lakshmi's mark, second midterm mark, sorry, half-yearly mark, and then multiplication symbol 25 by 100, like that. Third midterm 5% of mark you have to take. Equal to, go to mark sheet, then select the cell address of Lakshmi's mark, third midterm mark. Select the cell address of third midterm Lakshmi's mark and then put multiplication symbol, then give 5 by 100, like this. Annual mark you have to find out. Put consolidated sheet to equal to symbol. After equal to symbol, then go to mark sheet, in that you have to choose annual mark of Lakshmi, cell address, and then you have to put multiplication symbol. Here you have to give 35. You are going to find out 35% of mark, 35 by 100. Okay, likewise you have to find out all the marks, then you have to total the marks. Okay, to arrive total of Lakshmi equal to sum of open bracket, you have to select the cell address from first midterm to till annual. You have to select the range of the cell. Okay, then you have to close the bracket and you have to press enter. You will get the answer. Okay, like this you can find out the remaining marks doing drag and drop method. You need not type the formula again and again. You can do drag and drop method and find out the remaining students marks. Okay, like this you can refer the another sheet and you can calculate the total. First midterm quarterly, second midterm half yearly, third midterm annual. Okay, in mark sheet you have to type that columns alone. In consolidated you have to add total column also. Okay children, like this you have to calculate the marks. Okay, if you want you can save, otherwise you can quit from calc. Okay, close it. Right hand side you have close symbol. Using that you can close the application. You can come out from OpenOffice.